70. Lastly, y6. F of x6. F of 5. 5 cube plus 5 into 5 minus 7. So 125 plus 25 minus 7. 140. Therefore, the given data is, therefore, the data is write the data in tabular form. X values, y values. X values minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values minus 13,
minus 14, minus 7,
minus 7,
minus 1,
minus 1,
11,
1,
35, 77.
143. Now construct the difference table. Forward difference table. X values, y values. X values minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values minus 13, minus 7, minus 1, 11, 35, 77, 143. Write first differences, second order differences, third order differences. So no need to find fourth and fifth order, sixth order, etc. Because in our question we have to show that third order differences are constant. What is first order? Minus 7 plus 13. Minus 1 plus 7, 6, 11 plus 1, 12, 35 minus 11, 35 minus 11,
24, sir.
77 minus 35, 42, 143 minus 77, 66. Second order, 0, 6, 12, 18,
24,
third order, 6, 6, 6, 6. So in third order difference column, all the values are same. Therefore, the third differences are constant. The third order differences are same. 6, 6, 6, 6. Or fourth order? No? 0. Very good. Fifth order? Fourth order? 0, 0, 3 zeros. Fifth order? How many zeros? 2 zeros. Sixth order? Only 1 zero. Only 1 zero. So for the same question, in place of prove that the sixth order difference is 0. The sixth order difference is 0. That means delta power 6y is equal to 0. We can also modify this question as prove that the sixth order difference is 0. That is delta power 6y is equal to 0. The forward difference table is. Any doubt? Second one, if the interval of differencing is unity, they prove that delta of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. If the interval of differencing is unity, unity means 1. So that f of x is equal to x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. By definition, what is delta of f of x? Delta of f of x is equal to general definition f of x plus h minus f of x. Given that, what is h value? What is h here? H is the interval of differencing. H is equal to 1. Therefore, delta of f of x is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Put x equal to x plus 1 in f of x. X plus 1 into x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 1 plus 2, x plus 1 plus 3, minus x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 minus x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. What are the factors common? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 common. You get x plus 4 minus x. Plus x minus x cancel. So delta of x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 4 times of x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Next, find the second difference. Second order difference of the polynomial. The polynomial x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 30x plus 9. With interval of difference, h is equal to 2. With interval of difference is 2. Here we have to find second order difference delta square without constructing the forward difference table. So the given function is f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 30x plus 9, and h is equal to 2. First find first order difference. By definition, delta of f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. F of x plus 2 minus f of x. So delta f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole power 4 minus 12 into x plus 2 whole cube plus 42 into x plus 2 whole square minus 30 into x plus 2 plus 9. Minus f of x, x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 30x plus 9. We can expand a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube. What about a plus b whole power 4? Using which theorem? Please revise the concept in intermediate second year. First year or second year, binomial theorem. Any idea? Binomial theorem? Binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. X plus y whole power 4 is equal to 4c0 x power 4. 4c1 x cube y. 4c2 x square y square. 4c3 xy cube plus 4c4 y power 4. What is 4c0? 1. 4c1 4. 4c2 6. 4c3 4. 4c4 1. What is the formula? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Pascal coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 4c0 is equal to 4 factorial by 0 factorial into 4 minus 0 factorial. So 4 factorial by, what is 0 factorial? 1. So 4 factorial cancel. So 4c0 is 1. Okay, Namma? 4c1. 4c1. 4 factorial by 1 factorial into 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1 factorial? 4 minus 1, 3. 3 factorial. So these coefficients are called Pascal triangle coefficients. Now expand x plus 2 whole power 4, x plus 2 whole power 4, y is equal to 2, x power 4 plus 4x cube into 2 plus 6x square into 2 square, 4 into x into 2 cube plus 2 power 4. Minus 12 into x plus 2 whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Plus 42 into x plus 2 whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 30x minus 60 plus 9. Minus f of x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 42x square plus 30x minus 9. Simplify. What is the answer? What is delta f of x? 8x cube. What is the answer? 8x cube. First bench, what is the answer? Minus. From online, what is the answer? 8x cube minus Nishita.
Sir, 8x cube plus 24x square plus 128x plus 76, sir.
Eight x cube minus 48 or 24.
Sir, plus 24x square, sir.
Yes,
Plus 128x plus 76. 128, sir.
plus
76.
so first order difference of the given function f of x is 8x cube plus 24x square plus 28x, so 128x plus 76. So delta square f of x is equal to delta of delta f of x. So delta of 8x cube plus 24x square plus 76. So 8 into x plus 2 whole cube plus 24 into x plus 2 whole square plus 128 into x plus 2 plus 76 minus 8x cube plus 24x square plus 128x plus 76. So 8 into x plus 2 whole cube, x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8, a plus b whole cube, x cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube plus 24 at x plus 2 whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 128x plus 128 into 2, 256 plus 76 minus 8x cube minus 24x square minus 128x minus 76. 8x cube plus 48x square plus 96x plus 64 plus 24x square plus 96x plus 48 plus 48, 96 plus 128x plus 256 plus 76 minus 8x cube minus 24x square minus 128x minus 76. So plus minus plus minus plus minus plus 76 minus 76. So answer is 48x square 96 plus 96 1922x 64 plus 96 96 plus 64 160 plus 256 160 plus 256, 416. So 48x square plus 192x plus 416. Here we are to discuss one more important point. What is the given function f of x? X power 4 minus 12x cube plus 42x square minus 30x plus 9. So what is the degree of this function? Degree 4. Degree is 4. What is delta f of x? Delta f of x. Delta f of x about 8x cube plus 24x square plus 128x plus 76. Now what is the degree here? What is the degree? 3. Degree is 3. Delta square f of x 48x square plus 192x plus 416. What is the degree here? 2. So for a given function of degree 4, we operate first order forward difference, then the degree became, what is the degree of delta f of x? 3. What is the degree of delta square f of x? 2. What is the degree of delta cube f of x? 1. Very good. 1. What is the degree of delta power 4 f of x? 0. Here delta cube f of x is equal to 1. 1 means degree 1. Degree 1 means that what is the first term? Starting with x plus constant term. For example, some 500x plus 1000. Delta power 4 f of x is equal to 0 degree. 0 degree means we get a constant term. Very good. Constant term. That is some 1500. Okay, na? What is the delta power 5 f of x?
-1.
There is no degree with -1. That is 0. Delta power 5 f of x is equal to 0. What is the reason? Delta power 4 f of x is equal to some 1500. Okay, na? Delta power 5 f of x is equal to delta power 4 f of x is equal to 1500. Okay, na? So delta power 5 f of x is equal to, what is the definition? Delta of delta power 4 f of x. What is the value of delta power 4 f of x? 1500. Okay, na? Apply the definition. For example, f of x is equal to 1500. What is f of x plus h? 1500 means constant term. If you replace x by any value, we get same 1500. 1500. Okay, na? F of x 1500. Here f of x plus 2, na? Okay. 15, h is equal to 2. So what is f of x plus 2 minus f of x? 1500 minus 1500, that is 0. So what is delta power 5 f of x? 0. So if f of x is a polynomial of degree 4, then its fifth order forward difference value is 0. Note, if f of x is a polynomial polynomial of degree n, then delta power n plus 1 of f of x is equal to first round delta power n. Delta power n f of x is equal to a constant. Delta power n plus 1 f of x is equal to, what is the value? 0. So multiple choice question is like this. If f of x is equal to some 6x power 10 plus 9x power 9 plus 100, then delta power 11 of f of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0. What is the answer? 0. What's the degree of f of x here? Degree 10.
10, sir.
So its 11th order forward difference value is
0.
is 0. If f of x is a polynomial of degree n, then delta power n f of x is equal to a constant. Constant means a number, and its n plus 1 forward difference is 0. In the next class, we have to discuss Newton's forward interpolation and Newton's backward interpolation formula and their applications. In the next class, we have to discuss Newton's forward and Newton's backward interpolation formula and their applications. Thank you, one and all.